Hey guys, and happy Hollyween! It's time for a Halloween giveaway. All of the information I will be talking about will also be down below in the description. This contest is international, which means that you can live anywhere in the world. You must be 18 years or older or have parents' permission. To enter the contest, you must be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below telling me what you're gonna be for Halloween. Make sure that I can contact you through YouTube or leave your Instagram or Twitter handle so that I can reach you if you win. I will announce the winner here in a comment that I will pin to the top so that you can see. The contest ends on October 25th at 12 p.m. Pacific time. On to the prizes. I will be giving away 2 Squishies, a mummy and a tummy, a little Pusheen plush, a Halloween toilet candy kit, and a bunch of other Halloween snacks and candies. Good luck!